All right, my fans. Hi, guys. Today, I was just feeling very funny. I said that the number one favorite agriculturist, I just needed to eat something, just to chew things. Understand? Don't play. So I went and then I needed to pluck some coconut. You can see that is why I used to see it's important for you as a farmer to always have some fruit behind your house. You can see. So I carried this my bamboo ladder. You can see, man, this is so stressful. If you don't know how to use it, you just fall off. Hashtag don't try this at home. It's not for the weak. So I put it up there. I was still trying to fix it well because if it is not balanced, you might just fall off. And when you fall off, Otilo is gone. So I was just doing it like that until I was able to get the perfect timing. And then this my camera woman, I be man that was behind the person that was behind this camera. I don't know what's their problem. See, they were just shaking this camera. Okay, I think I got it now. You need to make sure that this thing is balanced before you just fall and they will say, So guys, you see, I was able to look at this one, almost fell on my head, but thank God. Carried my machete. But how was I going to climb with this machete in my hands? So I was now looking for the way. I can't climb. I needed to fix this machete somewhere so that it would be easy for me to climb. I said, okay, good and fine. I now sent for something I used to put my machete. I said, okay, they should bring it for me. I was now waiting. You see my family, this is my sister here. Sorry, we are digressing. This is my sister, and this is our 3 children. See, they just enter my video. These people now, if I sanction them, they'll say, okay, you don't. Yes, I need to sanction them. But no problem, sha. So that's my family, that's my big sister. And this is like the last one she's holding. She just had to enter my camera. She not the see problem. So we are moving. Okay. My machete was now put inside. Time to move. Time to climb. Don't play. Please don't forget hashtag this is not for the weak. And if it's the first time you're seeing my channel, you're coming across my video, what you have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. Because it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist and farmer, Emeka and Josie Agri. So I'm up. Guys, you see, man, I was so scared. Yes, I was so scared. I was not trouser, I was just scared. Man, it's not easy to use it into climb up. Sorry. Yes, to climb. So I was able to do that. We climbed it. It was now time for me to start plucking. Is coconut supposed to be plucking or harvest? Well, I was just plucking the coconut. That's one. You can see this is a foreign species of this coconut. These are foreign species. These are not our regular green coconut where we have in most major cities and villages in Nigeria. This is a foreign species. You know, understand? If you need it, I can send it to your location. Just hit it in my DM. You know, understand? And that's number 2. And then that was number. Oh, I almost hit that boy because it's so stubborn. That's like 3. And I was like, okay, this is not okay. And then because people were just coming inside this compound today. So I said, this one too just came in. So I needed to pluck to make sure that everybody goes back with something. So that was not okay. And now brought down another one again. Okay, I think that was all. I was not calculating. Okay, should I or should I not? Should I or should I not? Okay, I'm bringing another one down again. Everybody must have share. Investor or the number one farmer is already up, so I need to make sure that I give everybody a treat. Don't play. If you snooze, you lose. So I think that was all, and it was time. Please don't make sure that you hit the subscribe button to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Share my videos. You don't understand. I'm just hanging up there like see a monkey. This is a human monkey. I was just hanging up. Guys, I won't lie, I was afraid. Because to stand up there is not easy. Okay, that was like 6 of it. I was already coming down. Cannot come and kill myself, it's not easy. People that are using this thing to climb palms, to be harvesting palms, I did cut cap for them. You know, understand? I give you guys respect. Kudos to you guys, more accolades. So I was down, and then it was not time for me. I was not complaining that they should drop this thing, drop this coconut, drop them. Let me pick it by myself. Good. Because children can be very funny, so I had to be picking it. I had to pick everything by myself, and then I'm coming to see. You can see, guys. You see? You say, no, come and show your audience what you got. I say, okay. I came back. So, guys, you see? Can you see now? My sister was just causing confusion. She just entered the video. Just drawing my ear. Waiting be a problem. You see? So these are foreign species of this coconut. So if you need it, hit my. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.